To the untrained eye, the Porsche 911 Turbo and Turbo S don't look that special, sporting the same curvaceous styling as every other Porsche coupe to bear those iconic 3 digits. But packed into the tail end of the Turbo and Turbo S models is a potent twin-turbo 3.7-liter flat-six, pumping out 572 horsepower in the former and a whopping 640 ponies in the latter variant. That punchy powertrain saw the Turbo S become one of the quickest cars we've ever tested, ripping to 60 miles per hour from a standstill in a mere 2.2 seconds and covering a quarter mile in just 9.9 seconds at 138 miles per hour. But the turbo models aren't just about straight-line speed. Poised handling, a communicative steering wheel, and grippy tires mean the 911 Turbo is just as adept at blasting down a curvy road as it is launching to ludicrous speeds. While we wish there was an option for a manual transmission, the seemingly clairvoyant 8-speed automatic shifts far quicker than our feet and hands could ever accomplish. Among the field of flashy supercar competition, the 911 Turbo and Turbo S maintain a low profile while still providing mind-bending performance and, of course, the prestigious Porsche badge. What's new for 2024? The 911 Turbo and Turbo S are largely unchanged for 2024. The only updates being the addition of wireless Android Auto capability and native Spotify integration in the infotainment system. Engine, transmission, and performance. Hanging out in the rear of both the Turbo and Turbo S is a twin-turbocharged 3.7-liter flat-six engine that makes up to 640 horsepower in the more powerful of the two variants. The regular turbo model makes 572 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard, and shifts are handled by an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Porsche claims a 0 to 60 mph time of 2.6 seconds for the Turbo S, but at our test track, it blasted to 60 in just 2.2 seconds. These acceleration times grew even quicker during our test with the 911 Turbo S lightweight. 60 miles per hour arrived in just 2.1 seconds, and it blasted to the quarter-mile mark in 9.9 seconds at 138 miles per hour, a perk of weighing just 3557 pounds, 89 less than before. Aside from the explosive acceleration, the 911 Turbo exhibits insane levels of cornering grip and strong brakes, making it a true performance powerhouse. The cabriolet variants are slightly heavier than the coupe, but the drop-top Turbo S we drove proved equally thrilling. We also tested a 2022 Porsche 911 Turbo as part of a 0 to 152 0-speed test where it returned to a stop in just 19.3 seconds, beating a Porsche 911 GT3 RS and Chevrolet Corvette Z06 from the same test. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Regardless of body style or engine output, the 911 Turbo and Turbo S aren't particularly fuel efficient. The 911 Turbo Coupe is the most frugal of the bunch, rated at 14 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway, but that highway figure is only 1 mile per gallon better than other 911 Turbo models. We tested a coupe on our 75 mph fuel economy route, and it earned 27 miles per gallon on the highway. For more information about the 911 Turbo's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. As with all 911 models, the Turbo and Turbo S are technically 4-seaters, although the rear seats aren't usable by adults. The cabin mirrors that of the entry-level 911 Carrera models, but with racier trim, more expensive options, and plenty of standard technology features, such as a reconfigurable digital gauge display. The 911 comes with a front trunk which holds 2 carry-on suitcases, and the rear seat backs fold forward to create a large flat cargo area in the coupe model. In our testing, we were able to fit 6 carry-on cases behind the front seats. Infotainment and connectivity. In addition to digital gauges in front of the driver, the 911 Turbo and Turbo S comes standard with the same infotainment system as lesser 911s. The large touchscreen now runs Porsche's latest software, which includes additional features and improved functionality. A premium audio system from Bose is standard, and a Burmester stereo is optional, too. Wireless Apple CarPlay is now joined by wireless Android Auto capability, as well as subscription services for SiriusXM satellite radio, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and native Spotify integration. Safety and driver assistance features. The 911 Turbo can be ordered with several high-tech driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control and night vision. For more information about the 911 Turbo's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IAS) websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking, available lane departure warning, available adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. Porsche's warranty coverage is pretty standard for the segment, and the first maintenance visit is covered free of charge. However, rivals such as the Jaguar F-Type offer far more value by covering maintenance for up to 5 years. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 1 year or 10,000 miles.